Attorney, may pagkakaiba po ba ang contract to sell at contract of sale?
Magandang tanong. Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Ako po si Attorney Matet Mangabat at narito ang ilang KMBI, kaalaman sa mga batas at impormasyon just for you. Kadalasan, nakikita po natin ang contract to sell kapag may bentahan ng lupa or iba pang properties. Pero alam mo ba kabalikat na sa contract to sell, hindi pa ikaw ang nagmamay-ari ng bagay na iyong binili.
Parang ang labo naman nun, attorney.
Okay, let me explain. Kapag sinabi po nating contract to sell, the seller reserves the transfer of title and ownership of the property until the happening of an event, which is the full payment of the purchase price. What the seller agrees or obliges himself to do is to fulfill his promise to sell the subject property when the entire amount of the purchase price is delivered to him. Sa madaling salita, wala pa pong bentahan. Sinasabi pa lang ng seller na magbebenta siya. As cited in the case of Coronel versus Court of Appeals, the full payment of the purchase price partakes of a suspensive condition, the non-fulfillment of which prevents the obligation to sell from arising, and thus, ownership is retained by the prospective seller without further remedies by the prospective buyer. Kapag sinabi naman nating contract of sale, sa ilalim ng Article 1458 of the New Civil Code, it is when one of the contracting parties obligates himself to transfer the ownership of and to deliver a determinate thing and the other to pay a price certain in money or its equivalent. Ibig sabihin po, meron ng kasunduan between the parties, pagpayag at obligasyong i-transfer ang ownership at i-deliver ang isang bagay sa buyer na siya namang nagbayad ng pera o katumbas nito. Magkaiba po ang contract to sell at contract of sale dahil sa element ng consent o pagpayag at agreement ng dalawa na i-transfer at i-deliver ang isang bagay kapalit ng pagbayad na siya naman pong wala sa contract to sell. Kaya maging maalam at maingat po sa pinapasok na kontrata kabalikat. For more kaalaman sa mga batas at impormasyon, follow Kabalikat para sa Maunlad na Buhay Incorporated social media pages. Tandaan, mabuti ang may alam. Ako po si Attorney Matet Mangabat, masaya dito sa KMBI.